He's a loving King and
loving King and Savior.
Our one He died for me. Even when I was so undeserving, He was willing to come for me. He was tortured for my own decisions. He was there to set me free. Love so amazing, love so divine. He was tortured for my own decisions. He was there to set me free. Love so amazing, love so divine. He was tortured for my own decisions. He was there to set me free. He took all my shame and sorrow and paid the cost for my death. His matchless love for me was greater than the sin's price and agony. But He left them mansions of glory just to come and set me free. Love so amazing, love so divine, that He left them mansions of glory just to come and set me free.
Love so amazing, so amazing,
love so divine, that He left them mansions of glory just to come and set me free.
love so amazing, so amazing,
love so amazing, love so divine,
love so divine, let the mansion glory
just to come and set me free. He was tortured for my own decisions. He was there to set me free.